Hello and welcome to this special event. Today we are in the historic city of gold, Eldorado Springs, Missouri, where thousands once came to experience the healing waters, and today we bring you a different kind of healing. A healing for the modern age, the infusion of knowledge. Because here at the Small Business Education Group, we believe that the true secret to success lies not in luck, but in learning. And we are here to help you unlock that potential. This unique session is part practical training, part inspiration. We will show you how to use the latest AI tools to streamline your marketing, improve your outreach to customers, and help you grow smarter, not just harder. It is an exciting time to be in business. The pace of change is accelerating, and the tools available to you are becoming more powerful every day. But with great power comes great responsibility. That's why we're here. We're here to guide you, to teach you, and to help you navigate this exciting new frontier. You'll see live demos of ChatGPT, Google, AI, and more. And ILL share real examples from real businesses right here in our community, who are using these tools to achieve real results. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this workshop will leave you with practical tools and a renewed sense of possibility. Here's what you can expect during this workshop. First, we will dive into the world of AI-powered marketing. Imagine crafting personalized campaigns that resonate with your audience on a deeper level, increasing your reach and driving more sales. We will explore the latest strategies and tools to help you make that vision a reality. Next, we will discuss how AI can revolutionize the way you engage with your customers. From chatbots that provide instant support to personalized recommendations that drive sales, the possibilities are endless. We will also touch upon important aspects like data privacy and security, and how to strike the perfect balance between automation and the personal touch. But that's not all. We will also address the common challenges and ethical considerations of AI, ensuring that you use these powerful tools responsibly and effectively. As a bonus, I will also share my own journey as a business owner and how I've integrated AI into my daily routine to boost productivity and achieve better results. It is an inspiring story that will motivate you to embrace the power of AI in your own business. And the best part, this workshop is free for all Eldorado Springs Chamber of Commerce members. So bring your questions, bring your curiosity, and get ready to dive into the future of local business the Eldorado Springs way. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn, connect, and grow. Register now and secure your spot. We look forward to welcoming you to the Small Business Education Group. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. Thank you.